The next available option in the settings menu is admin. Let's take a look at the administrative options. Now, the admin menu will allow you to change and set the general behavior for the unit. The first option in the admin menu is security code. A security code can be enabled to prevent unauthorized users from entering into the settings. The next option is your display mode. You can display in either a numeric or text options. After that, we have a confidence indicator, and there are a number of options for the confidence indicator. Let's take a look at those by pressing the power button. We'll see our first option is visual, audible and visual, or off. Once you've selected the option that you like, press the middle button to save it and return to the menu. After confidence indicator, the following options are available: dock overdue, cal overdue, and bump overdue. Each of these features can be enabled to alert the operator when those functions are past due. Below the overdue options, we see a sync interval. The SafeCore module can require periodic docking so that data can be synced with iNet Control or DSS-AC. This setting allows the technician to select the number of days the unit should wait before reminding the operator to dock the unit for data sync. After sync interval, the following options are available: cal interval, bump interval, bump pass limit, and bump max time. And all of these utility options can be set based on your needs. After the bump max time, we see our language. A number of options are available. We can set the date, the time format, either 12 or 24 hour, and we can establish the time for the unit. Now, it's important to ensure that your date and time are set properly for data log purposes. After this, we see our backlight mode, and we have a number of options to discuss here. Automatic. The backlight will automatically turn on when the unit senses low light following a button push or during alarm events. Continuous. The backlight will remain on at all times. And note, the continuous backlight setting will significantly reduce battery runtime. And off. Once you've chosen the option that you prefer, save it by pressing the middle button and return to the menu. Our next option is the backlight interval. And if the backlight is set to turn on automatically, this setting allows the technician to select the number of seconds the backlight should remain on after the last button push or alarm. Our next option after backlight interval is the data log interval. The Radius BZ1 monitors for gas and typically displays the current gas readings every 1 second. Those gas readings can be recorded to the data log every 1 second, or the setting allows the technician to select the number of seconds between data log readings. Extending the time may make the data more useful for analysis and conserve data log space. When the time is extended, the readings listed in the data log will be the average of the readings from the interval. And finally, we have the data log status. And the data log status screen allows the technician to determine if the data log is nearing capacity. The screen displays the data log interval, current session, remaining time, and usage. When the data log is full, it will begin to overwrite data, and typical data log capacity for a standard 4-gas unit is at least 90 days. Press the arrow one more time to return to the exit option. Press the power button to exit the admin menu and return to the main settings. Now, if the optional Lens wireless technology is installed in your Radius BZ1, you'll find one more menu option below admin, and that will be wireless. We'll discuss wireless technology in another video. Now, to exit your settings, simply return to the top of the menu. Once you're on exit, press your power button, or if you wait 30 seconds, the settings menu will automatically close and return you to the home screen.